Claudia here from the Bookkeeping Experts. I am back for more tutorials, free tutorials on QuickBooks Online. More. We have heard you. And guess what? We're going to bring the most updated information on QuickBooks Online. The only thing I need you to do is to make sure you click on that subscribe button down there. You have no idea how much it's going to help me, and it's completely free. So if you like those tutorials, if you find this useful, please click on the button down below, subscribe, and share with your friends and your co-workers. We want to help you as much as we can. All right, today we're going to talk about a new features on QuickBooks Online. Do you know that right now QuickBooks just added a new feature that's going to make you send your statements to your customers so much easier than what it was before. So it's just a click of a button. I'm going to show you how it's done, and I'm going to show you how fast it can be done. I am so grateful for this new feature. We're going to share that with you right now. So without much further ado, here we are on QuickBooks Online. All right. So how to do it? Of course, you want to follow the workflow of QuickBooks, which is you send the invoice to the customer. Once the customer have paid the invoice, if it is a check and it's not automatic through QuickBooks, you want to make sure you go into that invoice and you record the payment, send it to undeposited funds, then record the deposit and match it in banking. You know, that's the whole workflow. You want to follow that to make sure that you don't miss a step and you don't overstate your sales, you don't understate your sales, and you also don't leave a bunch of open invoices in your system or record payments to customer that is not supposed to be paid and things like that. So you want to follow the workflow carefully. And if you need help with undeposited funds and things like that, we have all kinds of videos on that. So just go in our channel and help yourself. All right, here we go. What's the new feature, Claudia? It's right here on the Plus New. So Plus New, and you want to click on Statement, and you want to select the customer. Okay, here it says customer, and that's who I'm looking for, and it's going to show only the ones with the open balance. If I have open balance, if I want all, I want to click on all. Okay, but so far I just want this one with open balance. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to make sure that you put the customer email here. Just going to put my email here, and we're going to say save and send. Okay, so then QuickBooks is going to show you what your customer is going to receive. So this is the complete statement showing all the payments and all the open invoices with QuickBooks. So you see here we have a couple of invoices for this customer. One was the sales receipt on October 26th for $300. And then on the 1st, we have an invoice for $300 and the payment. So the reason why you see a positive amount and a negative amount is because it's an invoice. Once you pay the invoice, you see a negative amount, so you can zero out the balance for the client. And then recently we just issued an invoice for the client for $500, hasn't paid yet, and here is the open balance. Okay, and you can go ahead and send it to your customer. Now this is the message that is going to send to your client, but you can actually change that. You can update that in whatever way you want. Here says your statements attached. Please remit payment at your earliest convenience. This is for open balance. And then you can go ahead and click on send. Okay. If it is for closed balance, it is different. Okay. So we're going to click here. Select close. Oh, you can do overdue. Just open and overdue. But there's nothing overdue. Okay, so if you want the closed one, you're going to have to select the statement type, transaction statement, and not just overdue. We're going to put all, and then you can select what customer you want. And of course, it's going to say that there's a zero balance here, but here it should show everything that you received. So here it says that you received $5,000 from this client, but it should show everything. It should show all your sales receipt as well as the invoice and the payments. And in this case, it will show a zero balance because this customer doesn't owe you anything. Okay. And then you just click on the button send, and there you go. All right. So tell me what you think of this feature. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go back here. I absolutely love it. How many times have you in the past have a client saying, can you send me a statement of what is my status? Do I owe you money or am I all paid off? I want to find out all the payments I sent to you. Yes. And also if you send 1099, you want to make sure you get your vendors prepared for that. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Please. This is a great feature. I absolutely love it. Tell me down below what you think. What you think of this feature? Okay. Are you going to be using for your clients? Just so that they can stay up to date. I think you should send it every month to all your clients, especially if you have the auto invoice in your system set up. If you have not, by the way, I can talk about that next time. Just write down below if you want to hear about it. But keep in mind that automatic invoices is not available for all subscriptions. You have to have Plus or Advanced, but it's a great feature. Okay, by the way, down below I'm going to put you a few links of my affiliates. If you have e-business and you are struggling with sales tax, we have our affiliate of Avalara that we use their services, and it makes filing taxes much easier. Okay, so much easier. And another one that I absolutely love is Settle. If you're buying inventory and you're trying to manage inventory through QuickBooks, it doesn't work. You will need to have a separate third-party app. Okay, Settle will answer that problem for you. Have inventory problem, your inventory is all over, you want to use Settle because it will track your sales from the beginning all the way from the purchase order to the end when you receive the merchandise, all your inventory. Not only that, if you have like a problem with cash flow towards the middle of the year when you're buying all that inventory for the end of the year and need some extra cash, you go to the bank. It's the hardest thing to get funding for that inventory. Settle makes it easy for you, much easier, very good cost on that financing. So you can get finance for your inventory with Settle, as well as manage your inventory, and you can also pay bills. So there's bill payment as well. So how cool is that? So yes, I am an affiliate with them, but those are products that I absolutely believe. So I put the link down below, and if you want to click on the link, you will be able to find out how this can be useful managing your business. You want to take your business to the next level. You want to be able to use all the technology and all the features that is available out there to make your life easier, so you can take your business to the next level and stay ahead of the game. All right, so I will see you next time, and remember to click on that button down below. If you like this content, share with your friends, share with your coworkers, share with the world. And hey, remember, keep on smiling, and I'll see you next time.